I'm just trying to put feelings into words on this damn page.
What's up everybody? So this is my last video here in Algeria.
Meet you in America.
Yeah, we're gonna meet you in America. I hope you enjoy that vlog.
Goodbye, Algeria.
Goodbye.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I say
Ready to go.
Yeah, we get our ticket now and meet you there.
and I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life.
As you see guys, I'm in Algeria. I didn't go to America because everything was a joke. Wait. Well, as I say, I stayed here in Algeria and everything was a joke. I hope you enjoy that video. Huh? I'm so hungry, you know. So see you guys in the restaurant.
Sometimes I say that I want.
This is all what I need for my painting today.
Sometimes I think about the
It's alarm, you know. When your food is ready to eat, just start. Wait, you're gonna see it.
and I know love is like the faces of and I know you would say I gave up.
As you see guys, I finished the workout. Hope you like it and just leave a comment below if you want me to draw something in your house maybe.
Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. Baby, let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life, that's la la life. And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
So this is Mustafa. I guess you know him. Well, I just back to bed now and this is the airport. Actually I'm waiting my brother. I guess he's coming, you know.